Corless, and I'm about to do an unboxing of my book, The Little Book of Drawing Secrets. And on the cover is this charcoal drawing, which I did in Norway last year. We were actually quite high up in a cable car and it was a really stormy day. But all of a sudden the sun came through and the light captured the mountains in the distance and shone on the field at the front. And it was just so atmospheric and I just had to try and capture it. So I did a sketch at the time, which actually I will show you at some point. I took some photographs, a little video as we were coming down in the cable car, and you could see the light changing all the time. And it was such an impactful moment looking at the light that I just remembered it. And when we got back home a few weeks later, looking at all my reference materials, I could pull it all together because I knew that I wanted a foreground, a mid and a background. And then that would sort of make the piece. And I'm delighted that it's ended up on the cover. So, gosh, shall we open it and have a look? And a big thank you to my publisher, David and Charles, who have been totally amazing. Isn't that nice? Oh, I don't want to spoil it. And it's a little book because it'll fit in your pocket, in your handbag, in your camera bag, in, oh dear, in everything. And then hopefully it will inspire you and give you some ideas and work out how to solve problems and things. Oh my goodness. Oh, a congrats card. Oh, how lovely. With love from the whole team. From David and Charles. Hot off the press, congratulations. Thank you for all your hard work in making this book reality. Well, it was hard work, but it was absolutely wonderful to do. And isn't that just amazing to have that on the cover? Anyway, I hope you enjoy this book. Gosh, I shall be stuck looking at this for hours now. I really do. I hope you get a lot of fun out of this and that you actually get some inspiration as well. Wow, I might. Oh gosh, that's really nice. I should know each page off by heart, and here I am searching through for things. Isn't that ridiculous? But, well, what a thrill. I'm actually going to be doing quite a few videos to show you my working process, how I set about doing this, because it's quite a big piece and it might look quite advanced, but actually when you break it down, you can break it down into shapes and reasons why you're doing different things. And that's what I try and explain all the way through. It's my ethos, why I like doing artwork, why I like sharing my knowledge and skills with others. And I learn along the way as well. We all share as we sort of travel along our own artistic journeys, don't we? We all develop at the same stage. So there it is. Oh, what a lovely card, and thank you so much to the publishers because they have been just truly amazing. I don't know what I expected, but I didn't expect such fantastic support. They were brilliant. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it.